Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6590. This ran from 11th 2013 to the 10th 2017. It has a BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, spare wheel cover, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,